Hey, what's up bros, it's Fonte here, I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the Huawei Mate 40 series themes on any Huawei or Honor device. So, without further ado, let's get started! The first thing you have to do is to download the Huawei Mate 40 series themes. The download link is in the description bros, don't worry. And now you have to extract the downloaded file and then copy the HWT extension files from Themes folder and paste the files inside the Files Manager, internal storage, Huawei and Themes. Now you can open the Themes application and check if the themes are installed. I recommend you to restart your phone for better usability, and that's it. It's very simple. I do hope you ended up enjoying the video bros. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Peace out.